Hello traders, Mike Mohebi here. Today is 10th of August, about close to 6 a.m. in Melbourne, Australia, and 9th of August, 4 p.m. in New York, and 8 p.m. in London. Let's take a look at the market. Market moved yesterday very fast. In New York and London today. And we had some sharp moves in some of the currency pairs. First, I'm gonna use this template from now on instead of the template that we had before. It's the same. This is two moving averages. Only when they cross, we have this arrow, so it's easier to see when they cross. And this move stochastic is the same as the stochastic before. The only thing is that I have to add a moving average 21 exponential close aqua. Yep. So we have a bigger picture, okay? So today I entered some more trades. As you can see, I have a trade in Euro USD. It's a sell, though the market is moving higher, and probably it's not that good trade. But as you can see, there are some reasons I entered this trade, though it's still on top of this 21 moving average. But the first one is crossing these two moving averages up there. As you can see, we have this arrow, and the stochastic is crossed as well. But the main reason was this weekly pin bar here, which is on top, and the stochastic in the weekly chart is on top as well. That was the main reason that I entered the market and sold the market. Actually, I had a sell position here. Maybe it's not a good position, but let's see what happens. Maybe the stochastic moves all the way down like this previous time, but the price doesn't move that much and we have to exit the market. Let's see what happens during this week and next week. I have a stop loss there, and the target is close to this level. This, as you can see, there's a resistance level about this area, so I put the target on top of that. Let's look at the oil. Oil is still fluctuating. It's a very big triangle, as you can see, a very nice flag, and I have a pending order, a buy stop on top of this flag. So if the market breaks up, it's gonna take my my trade. Hopefully it's gonna go up, or it doesn't. I hope that it doesn't take my trade and then crosses down. So let's see what happens. I think because the market is still moving up in weekly chart, and we have these pin bars here, the market is trying to push the price higher. The only reason there is a problem with Iran, they're trying to sign contract with European oil companies. If they do, price will drop because Iran can produce more oil and the price will drop. But if they can't, well, the America put some more sanctions on Iran lately, so probably the price gonna go higher. So let's see what happens next week. Still take a look at silver. I opened the position in silver yesterday, well, today morning in New York and London, and yeah, market moved very fast. When the gold and silver move higher, it means that the US dollar is getting weaker. So all the currency pairs are getting weaker. So Euro USD is gonna go higher. So it's against our position that we have in Euro USD, but yeah, we just wait. Okay, as if you remember, we have a head and shoulders there, all the way down there. It's a bit, oh sorry, and it seems that it's gonna go up. Okay, and this is our neckline. If it breaks this neckline, it's definitely gonna go higher. And if you measure this neckline to the head is 107, and if it breaks it's gonna go 107, which is, I put the target at 100, so hopefully, yeah, it's a very good trade. Gold is the same, as you can see. This head and shoulders here is much more beautiful than head and shoulders in silver. So let me delete this arrow and I move this one here, there. This one is very, very good. I move the stop loss a little bit higher. Maybe not. I have to keep this stop, because this is a very big candle, okay? So maybe the market moves back next day and then it continues its move, but at the moment it's good. AUD USD, again, we should have a trade there, right? After this candle, close of this candle, open of the other one. But I was late a little bit and still good. My position is in money, but yeah, it's a little bit late. I move the stop loss a little bit down and let's ride this wave down, and the stochastic in weekly chart is on top as well, so we're in a good position. But there's a AUD USD broke this strong resistance line, so probably it's gonna go back and touch this resistance line. That's why I put the target on top of this line. It's not a very good move, so it's a very short position, and when it comes here, if you get any good signal, buy signal, we're gonna enter buy, okay? Remember that. I opened some more positions as I moved my stop losses in my previous positions to break even. Let's take a look at my positions. AUD JPY here. If you remember, I drew this Fibonacci retracement for this pin bar, and we entered the market right there, right? I entered the second position about here. Market moved back up in 2 days, but they broke down yesterday and today, and it's very good shape. So I moved my stop losses down. As you can see, 2 positions, stop loss down here. I locked in some profit, about 32 pips on the second position and about 60 pips on the first position. So this is a very good trade at the moment. It touched the 261 Fibonacci, and yeah, it's going back kind of in the, this is a very, it's a small resistance zone here on top and bottom. So let's see what happens in the, let's take a look at weekly. We have 2 big pin bars in weekly chart, and 2 weeks market is moving down. So if it continues going down, we just move our stop loss down and ride the wave, okay? The next position I have is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. This is the same. I have 2 positions, one on top there, and the other one when this pin bar formed, and I moved my stop losses today to break even after these 2 positions, and my target is down there. There is no resistance from this area that the price is at the moment up to down here, okay? So I put my stop loss, my target down here. The weekly is the same. It broke this 8 moving average EMA, and it's going down. There is no resistance, as you can see. It's gonna go down, I think, all the way up to at least this moving to 21 moving average. The next trade is Euro Australian dollar, Euro AUD. I bought this. This is a big flag. The market is moving in this channel for a long time now, for about 3 weeks, more even. And I had a 1 position up down here and another one up there. And my target is way higher, okay? My target is up there because in weekly chart, as you can see, this I have this flag and this pin bar. This big pin bar, I drew a Fibonacci level, and my target is between this 261 and 423 Fibonacci level. So I put it in the middle, and there's a resistance here. So I thought that this is going to be a very good target, but it's a very long position. Okay, we have to wait probably a couple of weeks, maybe even more, a month, to see what happens in this pair. But at the moment it looks good. We have a small flag again here. Inside this big flag we have a small flag. So if you see this flag, and the pole of the flag is about 270 pips. So if it breaks this, the top level of the flag, it's gonna go 270 pips, which is about top of this resistance here, close to this resistance. So we wait and see how this works out. I locked in, I moved my stop loss to a break even, so we just wait. We saw the AUD USD, AUD JPY, and then New Zealand USD. Let's see New Zealand USD. Where is it? New Zealand Canadian dollar. Okay, here. Again, I'm very late in this pair. I didn't look at it in the previous week and this week, so probably I should have entered there. And that was a very good move down here, but yeah, I'm late, but I entered and I put my stop loss top there. Maybe it's not a good position, but I just looked at this weekly chart, and this broke both of these moving averages and the stochastic and top crust. So I entered according to the weekly chart actually, and the daily I'm late, about 3-4 days I'm late. But yeah, we have a position, so let's see what happens. And these are gold and silver, right? So I have a pending order on oil as well. At the moment I've locked in 800 pips, $800 actually. I mean, all my positions except these 2-3, which is about average about 30 pips. 30 pips minus 30 pips, but the rest are good. So, and we are just started. We're gonna add more positions as down the road, and hopefully it's gonna be a good trade, a good week next week actually. All right guys, please subscribe to my channel. I get my trade as I analyze the charts, so you can enter the market as well. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. I will answer all of them. And if you have somebody who needs this information, who likes to learn technical analysis, please let them know and share this video with them, so everybody knows and can do some trades. Thanks so much and have a nice week.